Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Easy English. Today we have another easy English story for A1 learners. Listen carefully, learn new words and enjoy the story. A trip to the beach. My name is Sarah. I am 9 years old. Today is Sunday and my family is going to the beach. I am very excited because I love the sea. We leave home early in the morning. The sky is blue and the weather is warm and sunny. We drive for 1 hour before we arrive at the beach. When I see the blue water, I smile. Look, the sea is so beautiful, I say. My little brother Jack runs to the sand. I want to build a big sandcastle, he says. First, we put our towels on the sand. Then we put on sunscreen because the sun is very bright. My father and I walk along the beach. We collect beautiful shells of different colours and shapes. Some shells are small and some are very big. After that, we build a huge sandcastle together. We use buckets and small shovels. We make towers, walls and even a little bridge. It looks like a real castle, my mother says. We all laugh. Soon it is time to swim. The water is cool and clean. My father teaches me how to swim a little farther from the shore. You are doing very well, he says. I feel proud because I am becoming a better swimmer. Later, we play beach volleyball with another family. We do not win the game, but everyone has fun. At lunchtime, we sit under a big umbrella and eat sandwiches, fruit and cold juice. While we are eating, we see white birds flying over the sea. In the afternoon, I find a beautiful starfish near the water. I look at it carefully and then put it back into the sea. It belongs here, I say. Before we go home, we watch the sunset. The sky becomes orange, pink and purple. It is one of the most beautiful things I have ever seen. On the way home, I feel tired but very happy. Today I learned that nature is beautiful and we should always keep our beaches clean and protect the sea. I cannot wait to come back next summer. Lesson: nature is a wonderful gift. Respect the beach, protect the sea and always leave the beach clean for everyone. Thank you for listening. See you in the next easy English story on Learn Easy English.